Hi everyone, welcome back. I am going to be sharing a kit lineup video today for the month of February. This is the first time I've done one of these videos, but I was really inspired by Tay from Shantae Plans and some others in the community who have shared their kit lineup videos in the past, and I just thought, I really enjoy watching those, so maybe I will do one as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the kits. Okay, so my first kit of the month of February, it's actually for, January 31st through February 6th, so it's kind of the tail end of January. Clearly I am behind on my planning because I have not planned this yet. But this one here is from Nikki Plus 3. Felt like it was really appropriate because it's been pretty cold here in North Carolina the last month or so. So still kind of going with the wintry theme. This is in silver foil. The quote box in the middle here says, "Winter is the time for comfort, for good food and warmth, for a touch of a friendly hand, and for a talk beside the fire," which I think is super cute. I love the pastels in this kit, in the pink and the blue with the like sage green. That is the full boxes page. And then our second page, we have all these add-ons here. Second page, we do have half boxes, quarter boxes, third boxes. I love the addition of these little kind of paint swatch looks that she's got in here, and then some of these little midi boxes. Love that so much. And then she also has some really thin little like strips, divider headers on the bottom here. Super pretty. Love that foiled little house there. And then this page here also has some more kind of decorative boxes with that paint swatch, some little corner scallops, some checklists. We do have a Monday through Sunday checklist over here as well, and then all of the headers on the bottom. And then this bottom washi, I love how this silver foil shines. These colors are just so pretty together. Just very like delicate wintry. I just feel like it kind of has that nice icy feel to it. And then these are the add-ons that I did get with the kit. This was the Black Friday freebie, which is when I purchased this, and it matches perfectly. And then I did pick up 2 deco sheets. So many florals. Her deco sheets are packed with florals. I really love this. Like just enough deco, but mostly floral. Absolutely perfect. And then this is the little add-on sheet for the boxes. I can't remember what this is called in her shop, but it is an add-on that I purchased for the kit. And then these were also little freebies that she threw in as well, I think because I purchased it the first weekend that it came out. So that is my first kit. That will be for January 31st through February 6th. All right, next up is going to be this kit for my newest addiction. I keep trying to figure out which one is going to be next, but I feel like this one is kind of perfect because, again, it's been cold. And I really like when my planner kind of like the colors flow into each other, and I feel like these two really flow into each other. So this will be my kit for the week of February 7th through February 13th. So really the current week that we're in while I'm filming this. But yeah, this is from my newest addiction. Let me see if I can get all my pages up here. These are the full boxes. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." Again, it's been cold. So this is kind of perfect. Even when I went to Florida, it was cold. So it just seems to be following me. But I really love just like the coziness of this. And the dog by the fire. We've had our fireplace on a lot lately, and our dogs love laying by the fire, which this box was the main reason that I got this kit, because it reminds me of my little puppies. They're not really puppies anymore. They're like gonna be 8 soon. This bottom washi too, just stunning. Really love all the little words. It's just very feminine and pretty. All these kits aren't Valentine's kits, but I do think, with the month of February being Valentine's, that it's appropriate to have them kind of themed around Valentine's. So I kind of keep things pink and girly, which is fun in my personality anyway. So these are the boxes, and there are some scallops in here. If you can see those cut lines, these 3 here are all scallops. And then we do have all the headers. I really love these offset bow headers. And then we've got some confetti. They almost look a little like garlandy. Super fun. And then there's some shapes in here if you can see those cut lines there. And this one is called Snuggle. And then we've got some icons on the side here. I love that grocery icon. It's one of my favorites. Look at that cute little heart one on the calendar. Super cute. Love all these little teeny boxes. Super excited for these. I love the wood grain with these delicate pink florals. Just super pretty. I did pick up the deco sheet here. So maybe I can do something fun in my sidebar. I love that fireplace with the like greenery over it. Oh, so pretty. And these little like washi strips. Super cute. Super cute. And then I did pick up the trims sheet. So these sheets that she has, these, I mean, you could use them in the kit or you could use them for journaling if you're doing journaling at all. They do come in transparent matte as well, but this is a nice kiss cut floral. Have some really fun ideas I want to do with these. And then you do have some of these you could use on your date headers if you, or date, yeah, what am I trying to say? Date toppers. Your date covers, you know, the little things. Those could be good on there, or just, you know, using as deco throughout the kit. So that is everything for this one. And all of the kits from My Newest Addiction do come with the little dates as well, which I love because I don't have to go looking for something to match. They're just in there. So this is Snuggle from My Newest Addiction, and this will be for the week of February 7th through the 13th. All right, this next one, I gushed over this when I did my Happy Mail haul with this one, but I am so stinking excited for this. This one, all of the Dash of Sun PR team, we will be doing a collab with this, which I'm super excited about. So this one, we all had some input as far as the elements in the kit and just gave her a lot of feedback. And so it was kind of like a fun little thing we did together. So we're all going to be collabing together when we use this as well. So super excited for this. So this one here is from Dash of Sun. It's called Sweet Romance. And we've got, I'm just obsessed with this. The foiling and the teacup and this dresser. Look at that when I hold that at that angle. I just think Chelsea did such an amazing job on this kit. And it's really beautiful. And now I'm going to have the Beatles song in my head for the rest of the night, but that's okay. This is page 2. I cannot wait to lay this down and try these different boxes. I love all the different florals she's put on here, like the just teeny little touch of some garlands and dangle deco, and then these fun boxes up here. Really excited to use these. And then this one here, we do have some icons at the top. We've got some more kind of fun shaped boxes here, fancy boxes. Checklists, the scallops with this beautiful floral pattern. I love her clipboard. I love clipboards. Just so stinking cute. But I love these little square boxes, and then these headers. Look at that foil. These headers have hearts in them. They're so cute. So this is my kit for the week of Valentine's, and I am so excited. We don't really celebrate Valentine's a whole lot. Like, it's just never been like a thing. But this kit has me super excited for all the Valentine's things. The bottom washi, stunning, absolutely gorgeous. And I love that the date covers are, you know, pretty plain. So you can add whatever you want and kind of dress them up. I appreciate that. And then, so with this kit, there were 2 different deco sheets you could get. So there's the small, you know, little just floral deco sheet. Has a lot of really great florals on it. And then also this larger, you know, it's like the size of a kit sheet. So this one here, and I've got the, you know, the floral headers on the side here, and then so many bouquets and little just individual floral elements to work with, and a couple little things with the clip art as well. So really, really excited for this kit. Again, this is Sweet Romance from Dash of Sun. This one will be my Valentine's week kit. All right, next up is this really stunning kit from Lil Bees. I actually had toyed with the idea of doing this the week of February 6th, but the fact that that other one says, baby, it's cold outside, by the time I get to this one, I'm hoping it won't be as cold. It does still say frosty morning, so TBD. Maybe I'll switch it back. I don't know, but these are all the ones that will be used in February, regardless of which week. Right now, I have this one lined up for the week of February 21st to the 27th. So this one is Winter Reverie by Lil Bees, and this one just has such a beautiful, ethereal kind of feel to it. Like, this box is just so whimsical and dreamy. I just really love it with a delicate lace, this like Fair Isle kind of print. I just really love it. So it's cozy sweaters, frosty mornings, cold noses, warm blankets, cinnamon spice, crisp air, sparkling snow, and hot chocolate. Yeah, this one's so beautiful. I may switch it back up and go back. I'm not sure. We'll see. I do have these kind of out of order here. Hang on one moment. Let me get these kit ones out of here. Okay. Let me move these out so I can do the kit together itself. Sorry, I'm fumbling through this a little bit. Okay, this is the bottom washi. I love these kind of unexpected pops of red in here. They're a very subtle red, but I still think they're super pretty. And this little bear, I talked about him in my haul video, but I call him the Hi Bye Bear because it looks like he's like, hi. He's just so cute. And then these date covers, I love the fact that they're like little swatches. So, so pretty. And look at that little snowflake. So pretty. And then this is the one non-foiled page in the kit. We do have a lot of flags, which I love. I really use a lot of flags for layering, and I really love that. Got some little ones. You have these little washi strips here. You've got some icons, which she pulls in the florals, and I love that she does that. And then all these really pretty boxes. I love that they're simple. You can add your own foil. You can keep them unfoiled, but they're very simple, and that's really great for all of the layering in different, you know, ways that we're all using things right now in our kits. So I really love the simplicity of her boxes. And then this page here, we have all of the headers. Let me bring it up so you can see. There's those little pops of red again. Some checklists, some tiny little fancy boxes, some foiled deco. Get that little like snowsuit, so stinking cute. And then you have a Monday through Sunday tracker, a habit tracker, this adorable little like header here, and then another tracker, and some little flags. And then I did get, I think I just got one of the floral deco sheets here. Let me see, because I did buy some journaling sheets this time. I did. Okay, so I bought one of these. I almost wish I would have bought two, because I feel like I could use more of like these floral things because they are kind of bigger. But I bought one of those, and then I got the functional add-on sheet. I really love how she does these with, I use a lot of these on like my date covers. I just think they're super pretty. I love these extra boxes and the little ones down here. These are great for like layering icons. And then the tinier little bit of floral here. I love the smaller size floral. And then all the little shapes and the scallops here as well. So I did get those with the kit. And then this is the first time I've actually purchased one of her journaling sheets. So I did get this journaling sheet because I really want to try to use some of these swatches in my sidebar, like something like this even. I don't know. I'm going to play with it a little bit and see how things fit, but I really like changing my sidebar up, and I feel like I struggle the most with that. So these florals are just so, so pretty. I'm just going to move this in closer so you can see it. The little bears there. So yeah, I'm super excited to see what I can do with this. So I did purchase this to go with this kit and see how creative I can get. And then I also purchased the deco sheet that just has like actual deco, not just florals. Again, look at this little ladder, this little deer with the little sweater on. Like, how cute is he? Just adorable. I can't wait to do something fun in my sidebar with all of this. And then I did also have this little freebie. I think this might have been Lauren's freebie, I believe. And that matches the kit. And I think I might have got this in another order actually. And so it was kind of fun because it matches the kit that I have. So all of these will be going together. And currently this will be my week of February 21st through the 27th, but we will see. I might change it up because I just can't wait to use this kit, and I might use it sooner, but we shall see. All right, last but certainly not least, I have this Hygge kit from Paper Trail Plans. I'm so excited for this kit. When I purchased this, I got it in silver during Black Friday weekend, and then I don't know, I feel like I might need it in rose gold for next year. We'll see. But I just really love it. Or maybe rose gold for my like journal. My friend came out with a faith, what is it, like a prayer and faith journal, and I am going to be getting that in the mail shortly. And so I'm trying to think of, like, you know, I have a lot of extra kits that I haven't used over the years and things, and so I may use some of these in there, and it would be a perfect excuse to buy this in rose gold. So I believe it is still up in their shop in rose gold. So this is from Paper Trail Plans. This one is the silver foil. I have been waiting for a Hygge kit forever. Like, I love the concept of cozy and all of that. And so this one says, Hygge, taking the time to slow down and feel the comfort and warmth of the simple things in everyday life. I feel like we all need more of that. I know I do. So these boxes, just stunning. The foiling is perfection. I love the little foiled fireplace. Everything in this is just absolutely beautiful. This here, now they have changed up their format since these first kits. So their format's a little bit different now, but I don't know, maybe this kit in the shop is still the same format. I'm not sure. I don't know if they've reformatted this one, but this does have some floral deco at the top. You've got a lot of little midi boxes that are foiled. I think that's one of the things they changed in the new kit, but this, I really love that. I love this pattern on here. So pretty. And the little viney stuff. Just really, really perfect. The tiniest little bit of foil in these boxes. Really, really pretty. And then this one, so many fancy boxes. I love it. Love their little checklists. We've got our headers on here. And then a bunch of like skinny headers. I really love that with a lot of foil. And you have your habit trackers as well. And then I did purchase, oops, I'm skipping ahead here, but I did purchase 2 deco sheets for this one. There's quite a bit of floral on here, and you have a couple little deco elements for the like sidebar if you want as well. And then this is the bottom washi. So the bottom washi on these kits, you have a choice. I think you still have a choice in the shop between the Kiss Cut and then a regular bottom washi. I really love this Kiss Cut. I don't know if you can see that here. I am still working on my spread with their other winter kit, but I really, really love this, and I have a really fun idea that I want to do with this one. I may do it on another one before that, but I have an idea in my head of how I want to use this, but this is just beautiful, and it's foiled. The date headers on here, date headers, why can't I think of what these things are called? But yeah, the headers are like the little paint swatch kind too, so you have a lot of room for doing other deco things. Really just love that. So this one is Huga from Paper Trail Plans, and this one will be my March 28th, or I'm sorry, my February 28th to March 6th to end my month of a lot of pink and girly for the month of February. All right, so these are all of my February kits. Thank you guys so much for joining me to see what I will be using this month. I'm really excited for all of these pink and girly kits. I love all kinds of colors and themes in the planner world, and I feel like we have so many talented shop owners that are bringing so many fun things out, but I will say that my heart is definitely a pink and frilly girly planner at heart. So these kits all make me super happy, and I'm really excited to get to use them. I am still working on back planning on all of my Christmas ones that I haven't gotten to, so stay tuned. I do plan on videoing a lot of my spreads as I go, even if they're a little bit older. We're still just gonna wing it. So thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to sharing videos with these spreads coming up shortly. Bye guys, have a great day.